side where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, drop. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors. Respect and manners. Yes, nothing wrong with that. They always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners. I got my say, I got my say, I got my say, I got my say.
Everybody, welcome to the vlog. It's your girl Deezer. Guys, I am in Istanbul in Turkey. Yes, I'm at Istanbul airport right now and I am making my way to Ghana, Accra in Ghana. Yes guys, so guys, I've been gone away for a long time, both Outlaw and I. It's been over 2 months since I did a vlog. 2 months, over 2 months since I picked up the camera, and I knew I had to come up with a banger guys. So like I said, I'm in Istanbul airport in Turkey, making my way to Ghana, Accra, Ghana. Guys, I'm taking you with me. I'm going to show you everything I do. I'm going to explain a little bit more about why I'm in Ghana when I'm there. Guys, yeah, just stick around for this one. You don't want to miss this one. On my way to Ghana. Wave and say hello. Wave then. Huh? Wave then. Say, you just want to be on the camera.
This is the wrong Mr.
What?
The wrong Mr. Some say.
Oh, Mr. Oh, the wrong
Some
Mr.
say.
That Mr.
That Mr.
That Mr. Senior then. I guess.
Yeah, that Mr. Senior.
Yes. Even the outlaw's not that senior himself, is he? But you know. Made it. Better one. Yeah. So yes, I arrived in Ghana. Yeah, I arrived last night. So this is going to be my first full day in Ghana. I'm in Accra, the capital city. I'm going to be here for 3 days before I move on to the Cape Coast. Hey everyone, first of all, let me just say thank you for your patience and thank you for your support. It's been well over 3 months by the time you guys are watching this video since Outlaw and I did a video. We are good, we are holding up well, and I just wanted to say thank you. Now let's get into it. So your girl is in Ghana, guys, and I just wanted to present to you my family home. So this home belongs to my family. My family had this house built over 12 years ago. Can you believe, people, that this is the first time I'm visiting the family home? The first time I'm even going to Ghana. I know, I should be ashamed of myself, right? I should have gone a long time ago. But you know what they say? Nothing before the time. Now, I know that some of you are probably saying to yourself, Deezer, we didn't know that you were half Ghanaian. We didn't know your family was Ghanaian. Guys, they're not, okay? I'm fully Jamaican. Both of my parents are Jamaican. But my mum first came to Ghana maybe about 15 years ago, fell in love with the place, and this is the result, okay? So she was doing up property before it was even a thing in Ghana. You know, everybody's jumping on the bandwagon now. I can't blame them because Ghana is beautiful. So here it is. Guys, let's get into the video. I've also got loads of other vlogs coming up of my time in Ghana, but I just wanted to start with our house first. We have decided to put this on Airbnb. So you can book this villa on Airbnb and you can book it on bookings.com. I'm going to put the links in the description box. If you're interested in coming to Ghana and need a beautiful villa to stay or a place to stay, then this could well be the place for you. It's located in the Cape Coast, and at the end of the video I'm going to tell you why you should come and visit and stay in Cape Coast and all the things that you can do in Cape Coast. Okay, let's get into it. So this is a 4-bedroom villa. It sleeps 8 people. There are 3 bathrooms and 2 half bathrooms. 2 of the bedrooms come with an ensuite bathroom. There's a large living area, large dining area, large kitchen, laundry room with washing machine, large garden and a large patio area. The land is fruited. There are pineapples growing in the garden, so you can help yourself. Pick them, guys, pick them. And the property also comes with a swimming pool. It's a gated community, so it's safe and secure, and you're not far from many local attractions.
Everybody go to breakfast.
And I'll be worried about him, yeah. Next time you know the truth, I think he's just the man for you.
I know holy, and I know that get both, like the Bible. See all the little good things you do, they make me know no. Oh no, no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come pull us up. I want you to make me there. Pull us up. Girl, I want making you pull us up. I feel like making you pull us up. No, pull us up. I want you to make me there. Pull us up. Girl, I want making you pull us up. I feel like making you pull us up. Pull us up.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, yes. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live what I got. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I'm the one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that careful. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow.